This is the Boss Wolf vlog. I am the Boss Wolf. What is going on, guys? Right now I am having a nice, refreshing, a very, very angry orchard. Let me finish this up and I can talk to you guys. Alright guys, not much is going on right now. But here's the thing. My series on the... Excuse me for 1 second here. Okay. The series that I invented called the... Oh man. Yes. That series I'm talking about deals with drinking, the horror, the fear, and the darkness. And I am talking about the the devil inside the wolf. I want to break down on what I do to prepare this series. And when I do this, right here, that's the wall of my mind. Then somebody takes over and says something about my mind. That's why I do this. I'm going to show you this way so you can understand on who Satan is. I'm Satan. So, let's put it that way. I'm telling you the secrets about the series so you guys can understand it. When I do this is the barrier, the wall. So I would turn myself around like this, put my arms out, then I would say this. Break down the wall of J. Potter's mind. I am Satan. Then I turn around, then Satan becomes the German wolf, who is telling a true story on true events that will happen about me. That's why I invented this series, because it's because of you guys. Because everyone drinks. But the whole point is, I do not want you to drink. That's what I'm saying. I'm talking about the danger of it. The horror of it. But, I mean, and also, you saw the fear. No, I just told you I was having a very I was having a angry orchard. Right? That's nothing, but it's like 5% alcohol in it. Right? Hold on for 1 second. It's very good though. My older brother got me hooked on these things. Because he got me these for my birthday 1 year. Anyways, I want to tell you the other secrets too. But most of it I can't tell you because everything is personal. So, in that series, Satan and the German wolf is telling a real story about me. You saw Satan, but Satan is me though. Because the whole point is, everything is pointed at me. I mean, when I go to to the city of New York in May, I'm going to a Yankee game with my cousin, the LA Wolf. The reason why I named him that is because he lived out there. Along like in the 90s, I think, or sometime. I do not want to give you his real name because it's not important to you, because he's family to me. That's why he's my cousin. But the devil, excuse me, the devil inside the wolf. Now, here's the thing that you don't get about the series. I'm not trying to tell you to drink. I'm trying to tell you not to drink. For me, I need to. For, which I said in a previous video, I need it for personal and private. For me. Twice, I got drunk. And I can't help myself. Because, like I said, the beast is coming inside my soul that needs to be unleashed. The devil is taking over. I keep saying that to you because that's what the devil wants you to do. He wants you to drink. He wants me to drink. Because I need to. And the devil himself wants me to do LUST also. I'm sorry I had to say that because you need to understand the fear and the darkness of it. Because I'm telling you the dangers about drinking and the dangers of LUST. But I need that. Not you. You don't need that. Would you follow me to darkness? Would you follow Jim Morrison to darkness? Would you follow Motley Crue into the fear and the darkness? Because that's what they focus on, is drinking all the time. Hanging out with hot-looking, gorgeous girls. That's what I want. For you, no. Because you can't handle the fear. I can control the darkness and the fear. That's why I keep telling you. Every band that I know of does this stuff. I can name you 4 other bands. Aerosmith. Kiss. That's a good example. Let's start with that band, Kiss. Gene Simmons. When he is doing his bass guitar, while he's doing God of Thunder, he would go something like, he would be doing this, and he goes, puts his leg down like this, looks, and goes, points like this, and goes, you. A security guard would get that girl, bring her backstage. After the concert's done, Gene Simmons, he would do something, but I'm not going to say. You know what I'm talking about. That's what he does. When every band has a groupie, let's put it that way. That's why, if you see Jim Simmons in concert, he will point to someone, not a guy, a girl. Like he's doing this, then he's doing this. You. Security guard goes over and gets that girl. Next song. That's the same thing with the other leg. Boom. Just that, go like this, points, you. Security guard take her back. Do you really want that to happen to you? Me? Yes. Because I am older than you guys are. Most of you are in your 20s. Most of you are in your teen years. 14, 15, 16. But you can't handle the fear. I can. I'm telling you the secrets of it. For you to understand why I need this stuff. I mean, look at Dennis Wilson, for example. Dennis Wilson, hold on. Dennis Wilson lived with 17 girls because of a guy named Charles Manson. Yeah, I said his name, Charles Manson. But I'm not going to say what he did in 1969 because it's not, I mean, it's real, but I'm not going to tell you what he did. Everything I'm telling you is the whole truth because I do my homework. I do research on this stuff. You need to understand the fear and the darkness. That's why I'm doing this series, for you to understand it. And I can, like for Dennis Wilson, he always has fights with his wives. His first wife, I'm not going to tell you her name, but that's why they got a divorce. Go on to the second girl that got married. These people, I'm not going to say their names to you. Because you don't know who they are. I do. Because I have like every book on Dennis Wilson and the Beach Boys. I know everything about this band of the Beach Boys. I can tell you every song, every album they made. Because most of them, I have. But my personal favorite is this one. And the guy who I'm talking about is him. He lived with 17 hot-looking girls in 1968. And, like I said, there's a song that he did. But the guy who did the original song told him not to change the words. Dennis Wilson changed the music, changed the lyrics. The other guy didn't like it. That's why he had something from Dennis. I'm not going to tell you what he had, but he goes, "Can you give this to Dennis?" That's why there's a lot of information on the internet about Dennis Wilson and the guy who I'm talking about. I said his name once. I will say his name again. Charles Manson. No. That's the darkness and the fear back in 1968. You need to understand the fear. I understand it. All my life, I lived in fear. I'm not making anything up. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Put on your post notifications, turn on the bell, and smash that like button over 666 times. I am the alpha boss wolf. And I want to introduce you to fear. That's fear. Do you want this? No.